Multi-miner. What can this bot do? Welcome to multi-miner. Earn easily and conveniently. Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel. So today I will share with you this multi-miner. We can earn money by investing in this multi-miner. But disclaimer, this is not a financial advice. This is only for educational purpose only. Now, to know more on how to use the multi-miner, you have to click this link to check the multi-miner. Okay, so I will click the start. So welcome to multi-miner. So multi-miner is an innovative app where everyone can start earning right now. So you can start the app. By launching this mini app, you agree to the terms and service for mini apps. Start. Okay, this is a earning per day 0.2 USDT and earning per hour. So if you want to boost your earning, so just click boost. Then the minimum is $10 if you use BP20 USDT. You can use TON USDT, TRC USDT. Okay, then okay, so minimum is 10 USDT. So in this video, so this is free. Then you can click claim. Minimum request is $3. You have to put your BP20 USDT address, then create request if you reach 3.5 USDT or above. Okay, so they also there. This is the so 20 gigahash. So this is the for free. No, sign up reward. No, 20 gigahash. No, this is the then referrals. So I will put my link to the comment section so that you can start using this multi-miner. No? Tapos other tasks, so welcome bonus. So subscribe to the channel up to 15,000 SHIB. Already done. Okay, I will try. Join. Then brilliance. So this is how you can participate in the referral program. No, referral links, referral coalition. Okay. Then join the group. So deposit successfully. Then so this is the group for the proof of investment and proof of withdrawal. Okay, join. So next okay. Okay, so I already completed the word task. So if you want to try, so just click my link below. This is my link. I will put the link in my comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Crypto Jewel.